back to another video of my channel. If you do not know me or if you're new to my channel, I'm Ali, a senior software developer based in Frankfurt. So, in this video, we want to see how we can create the first project in Visual Studio and do some funny coding. At first, when you run the Visual Studio, you see this page. So for the new project, we click create a new project. I explained completely this page in the previous video. You can find it in my channel. For now, we just click console application with .NET Core. Next, here you can name your project. Let's type it first calculation project. This is the place that I want to locate this project. Here you can choose your .NET Core version that you want to work. Now we click .NET 8, the latest version. In this page, you can do all of your coding. This is program.cs. Okay, let's change it and customize it to our application. With this console.writeLine, you can see whatever you want to show on the screen. At first, we see what is this line of code written. As you see it here, it types hello world. So let's close it. Here we type it, please add your numbers. I comment whatever that we want to see. We want to get a number, so let's do it 2 numbers from user. For getting the numbers from the user, we have to use console.readline. But before that, we have to store this number in variable. We type it int first number. For getting the number from the user, we have to use console.readline. What you see it here, an error. What is that error set? Cannot implicitly convert type string to int. So string is a text, but int is a number. Then we have to convert it. For this, type it convert dot to int parentheses and another parenthesis. Okay. For better understanding of the user, we write it down here. Console.writeLine, please add the first number and hit the enter semicolon. So for the next, we write it down again. Console.writeLine, please add the second number and hit the int. Int second number equals to convert dot to int 16 console.readline. At the end, we write it both number together. Console.writeLine first number plus here and second number plus second number. Let's see what we will see in the output. Please add your numbers. Please add the first number. I type it 6. The second number 4 and you see first number 6, second number 4. Let's close it. I want to make this code commented. With a double slash, you can comment a code. What is the comment mean? When you comment a line of the code, this code will be not executed. Okay, now I want to do some calculation on these numbers. Now I want to show some guidance to the user. Console.write line, choose your operand. In the continue, I want to go to the next line. For this purpose, we use it \n, which turn to the another color, and it goes to the next line. And parenthesis and semicolon. Next, console.write line, for example, plus equals to n \n. Console.write line minus equals to minus. Now we get the operand from the user. String op equals to console.readline. Now we need some conditions that the code understanding what is the customer inserted. For now, I use very simple if condition. If and double tap, it suggests the best option for us. If it is plus, the result should be sum of the numbers equals to first number and second number. Let's see what will happen. For the first, please enter the first number, 4, enter, 2, enter, and you see it here, the guidance. I added plus. Okay, what's happening here? It doesn't add it together. It just show it one after each other. For better look, I write it here, console.writeLine, please type the operand and hit the enter. The problem that we had, it's here. When you use console.writeLine, it sees all the codes as a string. It shows all the variables and the strings one another after each other. If you want to show the correct results, you have to add parentheses here. In the mathematics, the parentheses has the priority, which means in this line of code, this part executed first and then goes to this part. Now let's see the result. 5, 6, plus. You see the correct result. Let's complete this if for a minus. Here, if you want to have more conditions on if, you have to use else if. As I said, it suggests us the best option. Press tab and enter. So for that, I just copy, paste, and instead of the plus, I use minus. I write it 26 and minus. So you see 14, which is a correct result. This is the first application that you created with a C# console application with Visual Studio. If you have the further questions, please write it in the comments. I will answer it as soon as I can. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video.